Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions for lock screen on Motorola Moto ThinkPhone. And to do this we'll need to open the settings. Now move on to the gestures. Inside scroll down and at the bottom we have kinetic gestures. Now let's check which of these options work on a lock screen. First one is a quick launch, and here you can go for quick settings to open the specific thing by double tapping on your phone. In this case, let's go for the open app, and I have a calculator set, but let's change it to the camera and see if this works on lock screen. So probably in this case, some of the features might work on a lock screen and some might not, and I think the camera will actually open. So let's try it. As you can see, the phone is locked. Now we need to double tap right here. But yeah, okay, this doesn't work at the lock screen. So you can't get anything from these options on your lock screen. Now go back and let's check another one. Quick capture. If you twist your wrist like that with your phone in hand, it should open a camera. Let's see on the lock screen. This feature works fine. Fast flashlight. So if you perform 2 karate chops with your phone, you'll be able to turn on a flashlight, but in most of the cases it doesn't work or it's very hard to achieve. Let's try it. Okay, it works, but it's not 2 karate chops. I'm just like, you just saw what I did. So yeah, this feature is kind of weird. Let's move on, and we have lift to unlock. Now you'll need to set up the face unlock for your phone to actually make this feature work. And now you should be able to pick up your phone when it's locked and unlock it by looking at the camera right here. Yep, it works fine. Next is pick up for silence. Now if you receive any calls and enable this feature, you can pick up your phone to mute the call. This feature should work on a lock screen, but I can show you exactly how. Next one and last is a flip for D&D. If you enable it, you can lock your phone, put it on the back like that, and it should enter do not disturb mode. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.